Hi there, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. In this video, I'll walk you through installing and maintaining your Argo Toilet Lift to ensure it remains safe, reliable, and easy to use for every day. The Argo Toilet Lift is designed for both safety and user comfort. Its smooth lifting mechanism allows for effortless transfers on and off of the toilet. Let's get started. You're gonna start by removing your existing toilet seat and lid. Use a screwdriver and pliers to unscrew the bolts from beneath the toilet bowl. Then you're gonna gently press and wiggle the rubber inserts into the toilet base until they're completely flat. Next, you're gonna press the button on the control handle to raise the seat. This gives you better access to the rear mounting area. Slide off the plastic cover on the back of the lift and line the mounting brackets with the bolt holes and secure them using the provided hardware and Allen wrench. Test the stability of the brackets by gently moving the base. The base shouldn't move, so tighten it accordingly to make sure it's safely locked into place. Now, once the brackets are fully tightened, slide the plastic cover back in. To keep your lift performing at its best, inspect the bolts, handles, and mounting brackets regularly. Tighten anything that feels loose using your Allen wrench, and make sure to clean the lift using a soft cloth and a mild detergent. Wipe all surfaces and dry thoroughly. In medical environments, we do recommend disinfecting the lift between users with a gentle, non-abrasive product. With proper installation and a few minutes of care each week, your Argo Toilet Lift will continue to support safe, comfortable toileting day after day. As always, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you do happen to have any questions about this lift or simply looking to find out more about our other products, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.